Hello everyone, this meditation is for overly motivated people, so for those of you that push yourselves that little bit too hard. It's only going to be 6 minutes. Usually I would try and stick to 5, but I really wanted to get in everything because I had a lot to say on this. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner at meditation or you've meditated loads of times before, it's guided, so I explain everything throughout anyway, bit by bit. So yeah, every Wednesday I do videos like this, so please be sure to subscribe. You deserve a break, some downtime, to read or watch Netflix without your mind panicking about that ever-growing tick list of things to do. So welcome to your well-deserved breather. Is it that endless to-do list that has brought you to me? The dreaded ever-growing tick list? Or simply too much blue light? Whatever your reason may be, I know we have one thing in common. We just don't know when to stop. That little voice in our head is never saying, you've done enough. Well done you. Break time. Time to reward yourself. You've done more than you needed. You met the deadline, the word count, worked until the last hour. Time to settle down with a vegan chocolate bar. Go on, switch on the television, open a book, lazy about. I realise I may have lost you at the vegan chocolate bar. So just to be clear, I'm talking about that immense pressure you feel each day to always be working, doing something productive. Breaks in your world consist of eating lunch and trips to the loo. Otherwise, you're pretty much always working. Hustle culture has you under its spell. I'm here to break that spell, to expose the evil intentions behind such dark magic. The evil I'm speaking of is capitalism. Capitalist culture is to blame, not you. We have grown up in a world that idealises extremely hard workers. The less you relax, the more you're celebrated. If you're exhausted and overworked, you must be successful. Sleeping, socialising, relaxing are all things of the past, a waste of valuable money-making time. This toxic narrative needs to stop. Today I hope to give you some clarity, to highlight what's really important, so you can cut yourself some slack. So, if you've done one of my meditations before, you know now I'm going to ask you to get comfortable. I prefer sitting with my legs crossed, sitting tall, but you can lie down if you fancy, close your eyes if you fancy, it's entirely up to you. Just get comfortable. I want you to take a deep breath in through your nose slowly. Feel the air travelling through your body. Now, little by little, exhale through your mouth. Imagine the air leaving your body is lots of stored up toxic, negative energy. Now all you have left is positivity, peace, and stillness. If it helps, breathe in for a count of 7 seconds and exhale for 7 seconds. Focusing on your breathing throughout will help you relax and escape into a calm and tranquil place. Let's begin. Life is about living. I don't know about you, but I don't consider staring at a laptop screen until the early hours of the morning living. I don't call sitting for several hours living. I don't call skipping lunch and cancelling plans with friends or family living. From time to time, we have to make sacrifices for our work, to make money. I know this. But many of us are sacrificing our entire life, our happiness, because we are taught that overachieving is more important. We are also brainwashed into thinking that happiness and overachieving are somehow related. Well, I'm not sure. I believe happiness is most attainable to those who prioritise their relationships, socialising and interacting with friends, lovers, family, animals, connecting with other beings, also connecting with oneself. Listening to our deepest inner passions is crucial. Challenging ourselves mentally and physically, exercising, meditating, being present in the moment, feeling every sensation. A lot of modern work commitments prevent us from embracing life's beauties, the simple pleasures. Hence, poor mental health is a global issue. Many of us have lost touch with our inner hopes and desires. Instead, we aimlessly go about our day, doing as we are told, working for the big corporations that usually want only money and power. Simultaneously, we are all trying to figure out what happiness is and how to attain it. We buy and fill our shelves with self-help books. But this is exactly it. We think happiness can be bought. That's how brainwashed capitalism has us. I realise that some books are useful in teaching us about happiness, but books are not the key. It is not something we can simply learn and then automatically have. Happiness is a lifestyle choice, a commitment to your truest self. Much time needs to be dedicated to satisfying the very core of our being. I think the secret to finding true happiness can be found simply by listening to our human and gut instincts. Our human instincts tell us what we desire, things like human interaction, sleep, for some, but not all, sexual satisfaction. Our gut instincts tell us what's best for us as unique individuals. This instinct is informed by our personal beliefs and thoughts, tailored for each individual. You, and me to be honest, need to acknowledge this powerful intuition. Listen to these internal geniuses. Do you think financial success is at the core of your being? The reason you're here on planet Earth today? Yes, money is necessary. That goes without saying. But this stress-ridden world persists because people are pushing themselves too hard. You feel the need to always do more because you've been socialised to think this way. So please, just leave the office on time. Shut that laptop screen when you've completed your deadline. Go to sleep at a reasonable hour. See your loved ones on Friday night. Lie down for a while and hug your pet. Listen to your body. It will tell you when something's not right, when you are stressed and overworked. Your body knows when you need to stop. Make sure your mind is in tune with your body, so you can, with ease, declare that enough is enough. I hope you're feeling very relaxed now. I'm just going to warn you, I'm going to pick up the pace a little bit, speak a bit louder, so get ready for that. I'm here every Wednesday with another meditation. They all vary on subject topics. And every Friday I do a chatty video, which isn't a meditation, obviously it's a chatty video, where I talk about loads of things. It varies, but I talk about a lot of the things that are listed down here. Just an FYI, I'm not advocating for you to like quit your job or anything. This is some advice that I kind of need to hear, and I know a lot of my friends need to hear. I just want you all to blossom into the wonderful individuals that you were meant to be. Productivity is a complex one for me. I feel like writing this, I felt like a bit of a hypocrite because I kind of needed to take the advice that I'm giving out in this meditation. So yeah, I really should actually just take my own advice, but it's that classic thing of you can give out good advice but you can never take your own advice. So it is a funny one, but you're not alone in feeling that pressure, because I do on a day-to-day basis. Please subscribe, share, like, comment, all of that stuff. I hope you enjoyed this 5-minute guided meditation to help you get over that feeling you're never doing enough. It was kind of a how to get over never feeling you're doing enough type of video, as well as meditation, so you could have played it just as you're getting ready. So if you ever need to like re-listen, feel free to, because it's always going to be here. Just click play and put your makeup on whilst listening to this. I might even do it myself, although I feel like I'd be a bit creepy listening to my own meditation and my own voice, and I kind of vomit listening to my own voice back. But I feel like that's a common thing. I hope that's a common thing. Yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this. I absolutely love doing these. I hope you love doing them too. Let me know. Other than that, have a grand old day.